You tried to call her?
Yeah, it just went straight through to voicemail.
Maybe she's on the tube. Oh!
Alice, what's wrong?
Oh, yeah, have some water.
Oh, you know, I was going to that rally in Hyde Park today when the Dalai Lama was speaking.
Yeah?
Well, I got there early so I could get right up close, and I was practically standing next to the Dalai Lama. And he stole my handbag.
Dalai Lama.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch.
Alice? Alice, which way did he go?
I think he was headed that way to the embassy for lunch.
Yeah, well, he can't have got that far. The guy, mid-60s, bald, about 5'9", bifocals, orange robe.
I'm sorry, no.
No? Oh, God. OK, you go down there, I'll go down here. Oh. Prayer beads.
There he is.
You have something that belongs to our friend.
Screw you!
Game's up, Dalai Lama. 2 of us, 1 of you.
Suck my dick, homegirl.
Just give me the fucking handbag.
Why don't you come and get it?
Oh, God, let's not lose our heads.
Back the fuck off!
Okay, we're cool. Just put the gun down.
Now, if you ladies will excuse me, I've got lunch at the embassy. Oh, and beware, this Rama spits.
What a dick! I can't believe Richard Gere's friends with him. You okay?
No.